Okay, I've got a fun new question for us today. Here we're given an expression which is the limit of a function divided by something, and we want to find the limit of just the function. And you might be tempted to take the denominator and just kind of cross-multiply, but we have to be careful because the denominator is part of the limit, so we have to be a bit careful and make sure we're using our limit laws to justify the steps we're taking. So here's how I suggest doing it to avoid getting confused. We want to find the limit as x goes to 2 of f of x, and we know we can take any expression and multiply it by 1 and not change it, so instead of multiplying by 1, let's multiply by a version of 1, which is anything divided by itself, and let's multiply by something that's going to be helpful for us in a minute. So now we can say that we've got a limit times something we're multiplying, and we can use the limit laws to think of this as having kind of a big bracket here, and it's the limit of the whole thing. The limit laws allow us to do that. So we can bring the limit sign inside and think of this as f of x over 2x plus 3, I forgot my equal sign, times the limit as x goes to 2 of 2x plus 3. I'll put a bracket around that so it's clear that that's the limit of that expression. Now we're given an expression for the first part, well, the whole thing, and that's 5. And then we can easily calculate this second limit because we don't have any issues with it being 0 or undefined. We can just substitute in 2 where x is 2 plus 3, and that's 5 times 7, which is 35. So there, we found the limit as x goes to 2 of just f of x without needing to know anything about f of x other than what we were given at the beginning. So there's that.